Hello everyone, Huawei Watch GT3 is a powerful smartwatch that has so many fitness features. On the top of that, you will get plenty of design options with its sophisticated crafting. However, the company continuously updating this smartwatch with the new features, and recently it has pushed a new Huawei Watch GT3 update that will bring an extra field of features for the smart wearable. According to the information, Huawei Watch GT3 is receiving firmware version 2.1.0.258 that installs new software features as well as optimizations to improve the working of this device. Still, it is not a usual set of changes that the watch update will install on your smartwatch. Huawei Watch GT3 firmware update adds data display menu in the training section, which you can access during the workout via data widgets. Other than this, the rollout will give you a new feature called Intensity Screen, which is also accessible via display menu and allow you to view the heart rate and the pace zones during workout. This firmware has a lots of optimizations for features such as swimming lane count accuracy and heart rate measurement during training and during rest timing. It has optimizations for music playback in different scenarios, and lastly, it will optimize the display quality of your Huawei Watch GT3. To be mentioned, the entire packet transferring process may take some time. Therefore, it is recommended for you to wait while the phone ships update package to the watch. That's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.